What's up, lovely people? We just arrived in the city of Veliko Tarnovo with Danny.
Hello. I was on the wrong side. Hello.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna start walking around the city and see what we can find. This is our first time here. Well, I think it's my first time here.
I was here when I was a kid, but I've only visited one place, the Tsarevets.
Which is what exactly?
A fortress,
Okay, so it's like an old fortress. Nice.
a medieval fortress.
Interesting. And like, guys, as you can see, the city is like built on hills. So there's a lot of walking up and down everywhere. So if you hear us breathing heavy, we apologize. So it looks pretty calm right now. There's a lot of people out. It's a Saturday, so I think that's pretty normal. And the weather's like 30 degrees. So hold on, we have a statue of somebody.
This is Stefan Stambulov,
Yes, exactly.
and the boulevard is called Stefan Stambulov.
Great stuff. And this city used to be one of the historic capitals of Bulgaria, right? Once upon a time.
Yes, prior to Sofia, Veliko Tarnovo was a capital city. It was known as Tarnovo only. Oh,
Wow, look at the view, guys. Amazing view. So let's have a look. We also have a river, which is right down here.
the river is called Yantra.
Looks amazing, yeah.
And down there, this is the Asenovci monument.
What, the one with the horses?
Yes,
Okay.
the four horses. These are the four Asenovci brothers, which were Tsars in the medieval time,
Kings.
kings.
Yeah, I don't think a lot of people know what a Tsar is.
And Veliko Tarnovo is also known as the city of Tsars. And that
Yeah,
is
the city of kings.
City of kings, yes.
I hope we're going the right way, though, the right direction, because we're going to the fortress, and I'm not exactly sure if it's this way or it was the opposite way. We'll find out soon enough.
Yeah. I think this is the right way.
We'll see. Again, it's quite nice how they built this so people can actually have a look at the view. Pretty cool. We have some nice restaurants. It's like restaurants everywhere.
Yes. But the side roads are a bit,
You mean the sidewalk?
the sidewalks are a bit narrow.
Yeah, very narrow, as people can see.
And the boulevards are narrow.
Well, you can't really call this a boulevard. You can call this a small road.
It's called a boulevard?
Yeah, but it looks like a small road.
Yeah.
Okay, and which way? Let's see, we have some signs up ahead. Hopefully they will tell us which way to go. So I see some kind of, well, from far I can see there's some kind of monastery, and also a Nicopolis AD.
Istrum. I don't know what that is.
It's like, I think it's, oh, that's 25 kilometers, it's 6 kilometers, yeah.
No.
So I don't think we'll go down this way. All right, let's go down and then we'll
Yeah.
come back up.
Let's explore.
Yeah, just go on the sidewalk. So guys, this is like a very old cobblestone street, and I think it's gonna take us down to a church. Let's see where it's gonna lead us. And it's a lot quieter here, yeah. Because on the boulevard it's very noisy with all the cars coming by. So let's see.
How do you park here?
on the sidewalk like this guy?
Yeah, but I would be afraid that my car will
Roll down the hill.
Yes.
So yeah, which way? I don't know where this is gonna take us exactly. Let's see.
Up or down?
I think go down and see what happens. Then we
Okay.
can walk up and... Yeah, on the way up is gonna be not very fun. So guys, these I think most of them are just people's houses. I do see some like small hotels. And maybe I'm sure there's some restaurants or something down here. Or maybe just people's houses. Oop. Very bumpy.
It's quite cool people still live in these houses.
Yeah, exactly.
And they're not turned into museums and some...
I think down here, yeah, it's gonna take us to the bridge.
Oh,
Yeah.
a kitty.
Have a little cat, another car. Let's just walk this way and see where it's gonna take us.
Okay, yeah.
Wherever, yeah.
It's adventure time.
Exactly.
I don't know if I said it or I just... it was just a thought.
Adventure time.
It's not that hot.
Yeah. For us, but in direct sunlight, it is quite hot. And I will not speak about the camera because I had some comments on the channel. And I was informed that talking about the camera is very boring and I should not do it. So I'm not going to do it. But next time, guys, when you're watching,
Another one.
if you find what I say boring, at least let me know what I should talk about.
Yeah, give
You
us
know,
suggestions.
yeah, give us some suggestions. Otherwise, just saying, oh, it's boring, well, don't watch then. Very simple. When I find something boring, I don't watch it.
A third one.
Yes, there's a million cats. Yeah, who
We're
is
on
this?
a cat hunt.
Yeah, you're pressing my watch into your handbag
Sorry.
and it's scratching up. No, yeah. Let's see where this goes. Oh, it's a long way down. Hopefully there's something in the end. It's not just a, yeah,
Just a road.
just a road, yeah. Let's look this way. Nope, nothing here. Dead end. Oh, I think we will come out somewhere, I hope.
Maybe to the bridge. Okay, maybe we can
Go this way, yeah.
Yeah, upwards.
At least maybe we'll come out on the boulevard.
Again, yes.
And then we continue on to Tsarevets. It's very, very quiet in these small streets. Very peaceful. So we have another hotel, Terrazini. And where we started our walk is the Meridian Hotel. That's the place that we're staying.
Bularski Meridian.
Yeah, Bularski Meridian Hotel. Or Meridian Bularski. And on the website, yeah, you're not going to see Bularski, you're going to see Meridian only. So it will be interesting.
The hotel is quite nice.
Yeah, it's okay. It's apparently it's a 4-star, but yeah, it's not a 4-star.
They always say it's a 4-star.
Yeah.
But you need to check it for yourself.
The furniture is a little bit old, but apart from that, service was very good. It's very clean. So yeah. And there we go, another small hotel here. Hotel Terrazini.
Sounds Italian.
Yeah.
Terezin.
And I think this should take us maybe to the... Wow, it's so steep. Yeah, I think it's gonna take us to the boulevard, hopefully. We're gonna try to do as many clips as possible. But I don't think we'll be able to get many in. Because we're actually coming back. Going back to Sofia tomorrow morning. Like 5:30 in the morning. And then we have another hotel. Sylvester. So you have a lot of hotels everywhere here. And I'm sure they're all full of people.
The bus was full.
Yeah, the bus. There's actually no buses. We came with a bus. There's no return tickets or coming to here. So it's completely full.
And actually people bought tickets 2 weeks in advance.
Yeah.
So...
Okay. Oh, I can see.
Oh, here it is.
Let's go. Which way?
Let's cross.
Go from here. Let's see what we can see here. Nope, there's nowhere to go here. Oh, we can actually go up there. Should we go there?
Yeah.
Yeah. By the way, a lot of these houses, guys, used to belong to very famous Bulgarian people. Whether it's writers, historians, scientists, soldiers, generals. Be careful not to trip up. Yeah, now I feel hot.
Yeah. A bit dizzy.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go this way. And it's up there, I'm guessing.
Yes.
I don't know if people can see. There's a church up there on top of the hill. We're gonna try and get there. But there's no signs like which way should we go? This way, this way? No idea. We just keep walking and...
Yeah, well, we can see it in the distance, so...
Yeah. But the question is, do we have to walk downhill in order to go uphill again? Is it built like that? That's horrible. Careful, there's there's dog shit. I haven't seen a single dog, but there's dog poo on the street. Weird. I've seen a lot of cats. Yeah. This is Bulgarian magic. Dog poo appears
out of nowhere.
Out of nowhere, yeah. Oh, there we go. Now I can see the fortress, like the outer walls of the fortress.
So I think that we're in Trapezica neighborhood.
Yeah.
And this was a neighborhood which at the time was populated by all the rich folks and noblemen and...
Yeah. And I think that's the fortress entrance up ahead. Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's really cool.
There's a lot of souvenir shops, so if you're ever here, I'm sure you'll be able to get some souvenirs to remember the place. And also, guys, there's a huge expat community here in Veliko Tarnovo. I think a lot of people from France, Britain, Holland.
Yeah, they choose to live here.
Yeah, they choose to live here because it's very peaceful. And look at the nature. This is Tsar Ivan Asen I square. Great stuff. And look at the view, just amazing.
And check in the distance. This is Mother Bulgaria.
Yeah.
A monument or statue. I'm not
Monument,
sure.
yeah.
Yes.
So we need to get tickets here if we're gonna carry on. And have a look at this. This is like a layout of the actual castle and how it used to look. Let's have a look at this. And I think, yeah, that's in Bulgarian and English. So guys, I think we're gonna end the first video right here, and then we're gonna continue on in the actual fortress. So see you in the next one.
Bye.